entrepreneurship journey can be lonely, right? A lot of people get into network marketing because they have that opportunity for community. So I love that you highlighted, and I myself, I do live alone as well with my fur child, my dog. She doesn't help me make any decisions either, unless it's the decision to go outside because she wants to go outside, or me open the door so she can sit on the patio. And so it is important. And that's why we talk about, again, when we talk about how to keep people in this business just long enough so that we can work with them a little bit longer, help them see success a little bit quicker, right? Part of that is building those relationships, and it's getting people out to events. Are you doing game plan interviews initially when they come in? Are you really getting to know the person? Are you making sure that, again, setting the right expectation and one event a week, one event a month, one event a year, right? Because if we can get people to commit to that system, coming out to our weekly opportunity briefings, coming out to the Super Saturday once a month, coming out to the international convention, they start to build the relationships with people, and they start to get around other individuals that they can now build those relationships with. So super, super important point there. Thank you, Miss Melissa.